Hello everyone. We're at an organic apple farm. Yes, all the places we go to. And it's called, can you see that? Misbahçem. I think that's how you say it. Yes. And I'm going to walk through there. I'm going to show you all the different apples. Okay, first I'm going to go and get some water. Very important before I dehydrate. Look at all these yummy apples. They're all safe to eat, no chemicals, and organic too.
Elma loves apples.
Yeah, Benim loves apples. Beautiful apple orchard. How do you say apples? Oh, Elma.
Elma.
Elma. Elma for apple.
Elma.
And apple orchard.
Elma.
Elma.
Hani nice bin.
Yeah. Look at that.
Look, yes.
Strawberries. They look like strawberry plants. Massive. We finally made it to the apples. Gotta be careful because the ground's pretty boggy.
Very boggy.
Very boggy, yeah. Over here, ask him. Follow me. Hey, hello everyone. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? Apple orchard farm. Red apples. Lots of apples, lots and lots of apples. So many apples. I guess the crows and birds would really have a field time here. Lots of apples to eat. I mean, look at this tree alone. This tree here. Lots of apples. Ben is taking some pictures of the apples. Elma. Taking pictures of
Honey.
Elma.
Lovers.
Lovers. Yes. And above here is a netting. They put that over the top to stop frostbite from happening onto the apples. And down there, irrigation system. It's like a pipe that runs along the bottom edge of the apples. And it's got little holes in it, so when they turn the water on, the water sprays up to the air onto the ground, and I guess they put some fertilizer or something into the water as well. I'm not too sure about that, but lots of apples. Whereabouts is this place, Askim?
Misbahçem.
Misbahçem. Thank you for pronouncing that.
You're
At the
welcome.
beginning of the video, I wasn't too sure if I pronounced it right. Yeah, so these apples are organic, no chemicals. There are lots of spots on them. Looks like they've been eaten by birds. Anyway, it's a large apple orchard. Massive. Massive. You can tell they're organic because they've got no, well, they're not perfect, that's why. Oh, that's a perfect apple. Look at that one, that's perfect.
Because of no chemical.
No chemicals.
Yes.
Unbelievable. I need some apples for breakfast. These apples that you see here aren't perfect. No, And the reason why they aren't perfect is because they've not been sprayed. There's no worms in these. That one there's got a bit of a dent in it. It's got little potholes in there. And look at this one over here. See that one? See? Bit of infection. Sorry.
No chemical. No chemical. No chemical.
No chemical. And look at this one up here. Look.
Perfect.
Look at that one.
Apples, not good.
No, look at that one up there. Yeah, ugly fruit. But it doesn't matter. If you see apples like this in the shop, these are actually very good for you. And these are the ones I like to buy. You can cut these bits off, all these horrible bits. When you prepare your apple, you can cut those bits off. Apples. Apples. Right, let's go. Catch you later. Thank you for watching. See you. See you. See you later. Thank you for subscribing us.